biggest way that this program has shifted my future is I will have a skill set that I'll be able to use throughout the rest of my life.
The construction technology program at Sheridan is teaching students hands-on residential carpentry skills to be able to build a house and be highly skilled entry-level journeyman carpenters.
The coolest part about the construction tech program is we're not using rundown tools, we're using high-end equipment.
I think the main reason somebody should start is because you get the experience in a very relaxed atmosphere. It's not super high tempo, you get to learn at your own pace.
One thing that sets our construction program apart is we have really small class sizes, so they get a lot of one-on-one instruction and they get to do teamwork together to complete structures and learn, and a lot of them develop friendships and partnerships that last for their lifetime.
We spend over half of the time on site, being able to see how a job site works, get the hands-on experience, get the use of the tools, takes away that little bit of uneasiness as a new carpenter.
It makes me feel good to know that I could go build my own house if I wanted to and can take something from the dirt all the way up to the sky, really.
Being able to build something from start to finish really offers a lot of fulfillment and leaves me with a lot of pride.
You should start your construction career with this program because it builds foundational, great knowledge that you won't learn anywhere else.